So, riding Eagles Pass today. A little bit hard to find decent snow so far today. This is definitely the least snow I've seen out here and the most amount of tracks, but yeah, we'll make the most of it. Found a decent zone back here that's got some good snow in it, so should be a good time. Nice. Well, just kind of hanging out here. The GoPro today is being pretty useless. I've got 3 batteries for it this year and they're all just immediately dying. So it definitely is cold out here. It's not as cold as a couple days ago, but I guess it's cold enough to kill batteries. So yeah, I guess we'll just, I don't know, play around in here for a bit. Yeah, it's beautiful views out here though. It's awesome. You can see even like the mountain behind me there. It's crazy. Love it out here. Decent. Just had a bite to eat at the cabin. It's about, I think it's about 1:30 at the moment. But yeah, so. Yeah, buddy.
Hang on to that one.
Your GoPro's pointing down.
Yeah, I wondered.
Huh. Yeah, that's some interesting footage there.
You know, we're going for the unique angle.
Oh yeah, for sure. Good views all around. Awesome. Not bad at all.
Yeah, I heard somebody laughing really hard.
So yeah, we're making our way out here. I was getting a little nervous seeing the mountain starting to cloud in a bit. I wasn't sure if the visibility up here would be very good or not, so decided to play it a bit safe and head out. So yeah. All right, just made it back. Actually, just about to head out. Got it all loaded up and everything already. It's 4:36. Not a bad time to be down. It's a good day today. Definitely started to catch a bit of a second wind there towards the mid-afternoon kind of thing, so that was good. But yeah, it was overall an awesome day. So good to be back in the big mountains. I love the big mountains. They're really cool. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All that stuff. Yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.